Your job doesn't happen at a desk. It happens here, on the move, in the car, headed to the next property, often with a buyer right there in the passenger seat. But that's exactly where the things you rely on tend to disappear. Your maps, your property details, your directions, all stuck on a screen you can't safely or easily check while you drive. So we built Land ID CarPlay. It puts all the info you need right on your dashboard screen. It's like X-ray vision for real estate. Boundaries, owner names, maps you've already created, overlaid surveys and site plans, all the stuff that's invisible from the curb, now live as you drive. Everything you already set up and mapped out is ready the second you pull out of the driveway. So when you're touring a buyer, you can pull up a clean professional map on your dashboard that helps them actually visualize and understand the property and neighborhood. And when you're prospecting a neighborhood for listings, every owner's name is right there as you drive the street, allowing you to show up faster, sharper, and looking like the expert you are. Let me show you how it works. A quick heads up before we start, Land ID CarPlay is available on iOS, so you need an iPhone and a CarPlay compatible vehicle. One thing to keep in mind, we built Land ID CarPlay for quick, safe glances, so every action is 1 or 2 taps, so your eyes stay on the road. When you actually want to study a map or dive more in depth, do it parked. Step 1, connect and launch. Sign into the Land ID app on your iPhone and then connect your phone to your vehicle's CarPlay. Land ID shows up right alongside your other CarPlay apps, so just find it and tap it to open. Step 2, get oriented. Once launched, you'll see your live location on the Land ID Discover map along with parcels surrounding you, their boundaries, and their owners' names. Step 3, adjust your view. You can fine-tune what you're looking at a number of different ways. If you need to look around or get a different field of view, you can tap on the Navigate button to pan or zoom, or the Map View button to enable different map views, top-down or 3D to visualize the terrain. You can also tap the Settings button to switch your base map between Explore, Satellite, and High-Resolution Aerial, and toggle boundaries and owner names on or off depending on what you want to see. Step 4, drop a waypoint. Once you have your Discover Map view the way you want it, this is the perfect option to use while prospecting or during general driving. You see something worth noting, like a for sale by owner sign, a lot with potential, or a home your buyer reacts to, you can drop a waypoint with a single tap and keep driving. It automatically syncs to your Land ID account so you can review, add notes, or explore deeper when you're off the road, back on desktop or mobile. Step 5, directions. Need turn-by-turn directions to a property or location? Just search for a location, select it, and Land ID gives you turn-by-turn navigation right inside the app. So you don't have to jump over to a separate mapping app just for navigation. Step 6, view saved maps. Now here's where the power of Land ID CarPlay really comes together. Once you're close to or on a property you've already mapped, you can open the map you've already built to see it on your dashboard as you drive. So the block you mapped last week or the listing you prepped this morning, even the survey or site plans that you have overlaid within your map, you now have instant access to. This takes your maps from just a link on a screen to a real-world experience for your buyers in real time and reinforces your reputation as the expert agent your clients can trust. And that's it. Everything you need ready on your dashboard. Land ID CarPlay is available now for Land ID Pro and Pro Unlimited users on iOS. So if you're already a Pro user, connect your phone and take it for a drive today. And if you're not a Pro user yet, click the link below to learn more. Subscribe for more Land ID tips, and I'll see you in the next one.